Irga owora mudo nado. Ibala obara Nyasaye kama itiere muwe. Irga owora mo. Irga owora ma kende irme onwa moya. Wandi kwa oge. Kori jako rigi weche manono no watiyo kori kama ber. Iwe jako weche moko to be de agare chalare. Iwe jako weche moko.
No, I'll use kapini. One school little electricity as a subject.
Okay, Lord.
Koito. Nentiere subject mine on power mechanics. As a subject high school.
High school.
Power mechanics. There was a subject on power mechanics.
Manato Mando kuru Few ne pesed.
To go to electricity was a subject.
On its own.
Music was a
physics, biology, chemistry, agriculture, Kiswahili, maths, electricity.
Yes.
Kara jomoko di group of school. Kawuno cook and wrong difference. Kawuno cook and wrong difference.
Schools
and groups of schools.
No, the school as a group of schools go pogore.
Ko Richard Epan no there man. No, I know. Yeni talo ni ngamanigi pimo meta. Kende talo ngamanigi knowledge. Ni knowledge Mario tweking yo school ni majo sobe. Okenya wacho ni nge school manadhi to Richard kia to Richard weti yogo ka.
Okay. Koro gimangeyo. I just want to tell you nika ne chope high school ntiere jo manyalo choose music, art and craft, nitiere jo electricity, nitiere jo power mechanics. Negi ntiere courses mang'eny mag group 4. Koro ja electricity ni long ni Dr. Gidinji. Dr. Gidinji was one of the my favorite teachers. Kano puonjo high school. En gima nobiro notiyo gi jalni.
Ndama duongni.
En kose dhiyo go mare. Ai.
Ino ringe wiye.
Iwachango. Ne wasomo ga e lab. To samo wadhi e lab nokoni ni in bed kaka ineno ni nyalo winjo go gino.
Kaka idware.
To onge ng'ama ne yudo less than A minus. Electricity no. Iwachango. En ema ne the best teacher. To ndama duongni. Ok opogre. Ok opogre. Gikubri. Mr. Gidinji, Dr. Gidinji no opogre. In one way or the other, we need the sign or sell, man.
Oh, yeah, sign or sell, we call Punyo Maloku.
Yeah, sign or sell, man. But Pog, you don't have Manalo Chan.
At least you no, they don't gato. Kagato yourself a cow. Don't chill out of Mokamato Lamo. That you get to a Koreato Gola Lamono. Kakuri Kelugi, Mr. Gidinji, Dr. Gidinji, yourself a cow. Kato Kurugato Lamo, ni Dr. Gidinji were any color in Bethlehem. One bed will join the Kuragamu is the joy the Kuran.